Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. I hope you already did subscribe. Today's video is going to be on this Derma Roller. Seems to be like one of the most popular ones on Amazon. It is the Amazon Choice Derma Roller. There's over 3,000 views on this, and this is very inexpensive. It was only $13. So I'm going to start out trying this one first. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use it, and I'm going to come back in a week and show you my final results. I'm hoping we see some good results. If you didn't see it, I did a video where I had Botox done. The lady that did my Botox told me if I wanted to get rid of the wrinkles under here, I could go back to the spa and they would do a microdermabrasion treatment with a pen. But that honestly is a few $100s. So I started looking it up and I found the rollers and the pens. Pens were a little bit more, so I figured I would start out with the roller because like I said, this one was only $13. So this is Linda Ray Skincare. This is for at-home use. So when you do it, you're not gonna have like blood or anything coming out. Well, you shouldn't. So you need to sanitize. So I'm gonna go and wash this. Wash your face thoroughly. I already washed my face before I sat down. I do not have a pre-treatment serum, but that is optional. And then gently roll, blah, 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 blah. So I've actually watched a good bit of videos on this also. So this is what it looks like. And I would definitely, I'll link this below, but the before and after pictures that people put in the review comments on Amazon, amazing. Some people saw results after 1 day. Some had amazing results after 2 weeks. So I figure I am going to use this for a week. I'm going to use it. It says 2 to 3 times. I'm probably going to use it 3, maybe 4 times, and I'll come back and show y'all. But this is what it comes with. Has a little case. I'm going to go ahead and clean this off with alcohol now. Okay, so I cleaned it off with alcohol. This is what it looks like. I almost can't even see the little prickly things in there, but I did watch a lot of videos on how to do this. This is supposed to be really good for fine lines, uneven texture, dark spots, acne, scarring. So you just, well, it feels a little prickly. A few times, move up. It feels a little prickly, depending on the amount of pressure. I'm not putting a lot of pressure. And then, I missed right here. And then they say so you cross it, right? And you're pretty much going to do this over your entire face. So I'll start here. I do have, you can definitely see like the discoloration, scarring, lines. Definitely a lot more scarring. It feels prickly, not in a painful way, kind of like in an irritating way. It's not even as bad as if you touch a Christmas tree and it pokes you. It's not even that bad. But these are very, very small little micro needles. So this is not what they would use at the spa. Did I go this way? Yo, I'm talking too much and I'm not paying attention. I'll just do it again. When I do this by myself, I will probably pay more attention. I plan on doing this more as my nighttime routine, not during the day, because after I use this, I plan on using my vitamin C serum, which is recommended, or something with hyaluronic acid. Don't quote me on that. I watched a video. The lady was extremely, extremely informative. So I will try to link that. Now in here, I have really big pores and on my nose. So I am going to, for sure, do in here. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm going to obviously clean this off, put it back into the case, and put my vitamin C serum onto my face. Plan on doing this at night, and I'm going to probably do this every other night for the next week, and then come back and check on y'all. Do want to point out, there's clear discoloration in here that I am wanting to work on. Acne scarring, different things. So I'm hoping that this really helps with that, but I guess we'll see in a week. Okay, y'all, so it has actually been 2 weeks since using the Derma Roller. I felt like after 1 week, I just didn't see enough results to come to a good enough conclusion to give y'all my opinion on the product. And you know, I like to keep it real, and when I test things, I like to really test them. I don't like to just try it out and say like, oh yeah, this worked. You have no clue when it comes to dark spots and everything by just using this for 1 week. So within 1 week of using it, I did notice that my pores in here, like I mentioned earlier, they're really big in here. They were significantly smaller. I mean, significantly smaller, enough so to where I actually talked to a girlfriend of mine about this on the phone because we talk about skincare and stuff. But I did notice that after a week of using this. So in the 2 weeks I've used it probably 7-ish times in my nightly routine, like I said I was going to do. After that week, when I was supposed to check in, I was like, I'm noticing the pores, but what I really wanted to see was whether or not this would get any lighter. And this spot right in here, this is a whole story that, I mean, I can tell you all about it, but this was an apple cider vinegar mishap, DIY beauty, okay? But I wanted to see mainly if these 2 spots would get any lighter. I feel like after 2 weeks of using this regularly with my serums and everything, I would say that this spot is slightly lighter. It's not noticeably lighter. I notice it because this is the spot that I paid attention to. I feel like if I use this for a full month or continue to use it longer than 2 weeks, I would see a significant difference there. But honestly, y'all, this is the real world. Okay, I want to see results quick. I don't want to have to wait a month. So I liked it for $13. $13. I mean, that's, you know, it cost me more to take my kids to McDonald's than this roller. So for $13, it making my pores smaller, that is a win. I would keep this even if it was just for that. I'm hoping that if I continued to use this, this spot would get smaller. But what I am going to do now is order the pen, which I think is about $100 on Amazon, which is why I started out with this one. I am going to try that pen out because I didn't notice any change in the fine lines, and that was the main reason I purchased this. So I am going to purchase that pen probably today on Amazon, and it will be here quickly. But as y'all know, I have to test it out to give a good review. So probably in the next month or somewhere around there, you will end up seeing a review for the pen come out. So click the notification bell so that you will get notified when that video does come out. Because like I said, my main focus where I wanted to see the most difference was here, because after the Botox and I talked to the lady, she said that I would need to use or get a treatment for this area. So that's my main concern. The rest of the stuff is just a plus, but I did not notice a difference at all in the lines on my face. And they're not big, but I also did not notice any change at all. So if that's why you're looking at this product, I would say do not get it. But if you have large pores for $13, that's a win. If you want to spend the time to continue to do this regularly, if you have spots that are not super, super dark, I think over time, a month to 2 months, they might vanish altogether. I'd say probably 2 months, because this will not be gone in another 2 weeks of using this. But I am going to order the pen. I'm going to stop using the Derma Roller so that when I get the pen, I can fully try that out. If I notice results in a week, then, you know, that video will be out a lot sooner. But if I feel like I need to take more time to give an honest review, then, you know, so click the bell so that you get notifications. So here is a side-by-side of the before and after. I do see some difference, but like I said, not in the areas that I really wanted. So Keep all of that in mind if you're going to purchase this product. But like I said, I will link everything below. It was really inexpensive, so it might be something you want to look into. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for sticking around with me for the past 2 weeks now. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.